Hello everyone, this is Team Jab Me. I am Jonathan representing on the question, which page experienced the biggest increase in page visits during 2016? The tool used here was Tableau because it made sure data easier to understand and it was used to create a bar and area chart. From this, you can see that the page with the highest page view here is main page.wikipedia.org or access all agents with page view of about 8.5 billion, and 7% of mobile phone users access this page compared to those that use their desktop computers. That was quite unexpected, right? Then from this area charts, you can see that on July 19th, there was a sharp increase to about 60 million views, and it stabilized to August 16th, where it declined again to about 20 million views.
Hello everyone, this is Brenda Namgabwe. Our question was to find out which day of the week is popular for visiting Wikipedia. As you can see on the bar graph from Tableau, Monday has the most Wikipedia page visits. This was arrived at using different tools, that is VS Code, Python, Pandas, and Tableau. On your right, you will see results from Python plus Pandas. Different concepts were applied throughout. Data was extracted from GitHub, and Python plus Pandas was used to process and query the data. Tableau was used later on to visually present our findings as seen. Thank you.
All right, this is the last question for Team Jabme, and it says, based on the data set provided, which device type is used more frequently for visiting Wikipedia, that is the desktop or the mobile devices? And here we see the tools and the concepts that we use. We use the VS Code, we use the Python, which is to transform the Excel workbook to the database. We use the pandas. In the pandas, the data from the Excel workbook was read in different pandas data frame using read Excel because it's an Excel worksheet. We use the SQL. Here the data was queried, and we are able to create two different tables from the main Wikipedia table, and these two different tables contained the first table, the desktop table, showed all the pages that we accessed using the desktop, and then the mobile devices table showed all the pages that we accessed using the mobile devices. And then we imported those tables into the Tableau, and we created a bar chart using those tables. Now this is the bar chart, and it shows here for the mobile devices, the highest number of visits was 400 million using the mobile devices, while for the desktop devices, the highest was 1,000 million. And it shows that the desktop devices were much more frequently used than the mobile devices. Also, we imported that result into the Excel, and we summed up all the visits using the desktop devices and all the visits using the mobile devices, and we see there's a huge difference. So hence, this is our findings. Thank you very much for listening.